Oh, what's that? It's just the new mandatory workwear for A-Team construction. Made of pure shit, fading into a bag. Made of pure shit. This part here is pure shit. But don't worry, this part here is also pure shit. And this part is pure, you guessed it, shit. Pure fucking shit right here. This hammer, just pure fucking shit. Suspenders, pure shit. The backside suspenders, as you probably already assumed, it's pure shit. All pure shit. And this is what A-Team construction is gonna be wearing. It's mandatory. Go buy it. You're wear it. And turn this damn thing on. Turn it